Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so keep that in mind and take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, we're going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading, and we'll start your tarot after that. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, or advice regarding this reading. So my angels, a blessing card for my Pisces, please. Blessing, guidance, or advice, message card for my Pisces. This one, okay. This one, all right. Thank you so much. Let's put the rest back, Pisces. And the card I have for you is reward. So either something really good is coming towards you, Pisces, or maybe it's time to reward yourself. I don't know why this has come out in a love reading. Let's put this here, Pisces. Open your cards and see why this beautiful card is here for you. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here today with me, for showing up, for all your likes, your comments, and of course your generous donations, which are overwhelming me so much. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And also, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's see. And if Pisces, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And it's also in the About section of the channel. Before we start your reading, Queen of Cups is in reverse here, Pisces. Feeling very emotionally overwhelmed and not feeling the love anymore, it seems. At least one partner isn't. So let's keep this here and start with some dialogue messages cards between the two of you to see if you could say something to each other. What would that be? So Spirit, what would Pisces and their partner like to say to each other? One more. What would they like to say to each other now, Spirit, Pisces and their partner? All right, one more. All right, thank you. Let's take a couple from here as well, from another deck, Pisces. Oh, got two already. Okay, let's stop here. I think we have enough. We have 5 of them now. So the first card here, Pisces, says, I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, I love you unconditionally, you are my true love. So the love is there. That's for sure, at least from one partner's side. The second card says, my mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. So even though they admire their partner, they care about them, they respect them and love them, and they know that their partner is their love, they've done something which has messed up this relationship, and now they don't know how to fix it. Pisces. So this could be you or this could be your partner, right? You would know. Next card says, the love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. The connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, that you will then master self-love. So yes, maybe one partner's been giving more and receiving less, and now they're realizing that that is a fault of theirs. They have to start rewarding their own self to find the love that they should then receive from another. Okay, so self love is that reward that you have to give yourself, Pisces. So this could again be you, or I could be talking to your cross watcher. So the whole point here, Pisces, is if you don't love yourself, uh, how can anyone else love you if you don't respect yourself? So this is a lesson being learned, I think, in whatever has happened. That one partner saying, I need to now first give myself. And I've understood now that I was broken inside. I never cared or never respected myself. So now it's time for me to look after and love myself so that you can do the same and then be strong enough to come back to me. Last card here says, I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I need you, where are you? Where were you? So yes, exactly that. One person kept giving, the other person kept taking, and even now I think there's separation because one person has now realized their self worth and their self confidence has come back, and the other partner saying, "Oh my God, I really like you, I love you, but now I've made a mess of this relationship. What should I do?" Let's see what's going to happen here then. First card says Death in reverse, Five of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Star, Four of Wands, Page of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Six of Wands. All right. So I think even though you guys had a lot of conflicts between the two of you, there were a lot of fights maybe between the two of you, or somebody was trying to create these fights, there was a little bit of fear of letting go. Lot of fear of letting go. Somebody was, I think, more in their ego, more in their pride. They were not on the right page, and because of that I think the fights kept happening because they wanted it their way and I'm the boss and this is the way it should be. All that ego and pride led to a lot of conflicts which kind of stalled the beautiful new beginning that could have been. Now I think things have totally come to an ending here because of all these fights, right? So there's a bit of delay going on between the two of you, maybe a separation at the moment, where things seem to have stalled to a great extent here. There is no wish fulfillment here at the moment from what I can see here, because that I think somebody didn't want to commit here. That Four of Wands, that we'll be together happily ever after, all that, those dreams are kind of dashed here because somebody was, I think, very self-obsessed here. Okay, the King of Wands, even though very exciting, very handsome, very charismatic, this person is a person who likes to go after their own dreams. They have so many plans of their own, their businesses, their work, their education, their travel. This is what I want to do. It's all about them. Right? So maybe in this mix, they kind of didn't give to the partner as much. And that led to a lot of, see the King of Wands with the Six of Wands, this is a person who's like, it's me and myself. See how nice I am, how good I am, right? It's all about me. And that didn't bring any kind of wish fulfillment to the partnership. So why is that, Spirit? Yeah, because their partner got upset with them then. See, now the Queen of Wands is in reverse. Now this could have been a beautiful match, King of Wands to the Queen of Wands, Pisces, but the King of Wands was so into themselves that it made the Queen of Wands very upset with them and decided, hey, I don't want to work on this either now, and I'm pulling back. I'm putting a halt. Four of Wands, Spirit? Four of Wands. There is a lot of emotional overwhelm going on here because of this partnership which has ended. Somebody is really in their feels and their emotions right now because, yes, this could have been a passionate relationship also where there was a lot of excitement. So all that's come to an end. But I do see somebody here wanting to bring an apology. They are thinking about it. They are at crossroads now, wondering what to do now because they want to still be victorious one way or the other. So this person is still thinking of their victory and they're wondering how to bring that about with their partner now. Page of Cups, Spirit? Page of Cups. The partner who was very self-obsessed, I would say, or not giving into the partnership, is now feeling really bad about, they're wanting to know how they can fix this relationship. They are now feeling powerless. See, you can only be in power, listen to me very carefully, Pisces, okay? You can only feel in power if you take from another who makes you feel powerful. Okay, if there are two people, one person will say I'm bigger. Okay, so they'll try and push the other person down. If the other person is down, then they're up, right? But right now I think their partner is not giving to them, not giving them attention, is upset and angry, and is no longer expecting anything from them. Now this selfish person who wanted to control the relationship, who wanted to, do, was a bit like a dictator, it's my way or the highway. Now they are kind of feeling without their power. They were only feeling powerful till their partner was pumping them up. Now they are realizing, oh my God, this was my soulmate. This is the one I wanted to be with. But in my selfish behavior, maybe, or my fixed ways, I've kind of lost my love here, and I feel totally weak now. I think now they want to come towards their partner and give them some kind of an apology. Right now, they're still at crossroads. They're still wondering. They're waiting, maybe waiting for the other partner to reach out. So there's a bit of stagnancy here because the pride and ego is still there a little bit. Two of Wands, Two of Wands, Two of Wands, Spirit. What's this Two of Wands, Spirit? Why are they at crossroads? What are they thinking? They want to begin again. They want to come back with maybe a sorry or an apology or a gift or something which they're planning right now. Okay, this is planning and plotting here as to what should I do. They want to come out of these troubled times and move to a calmer place. They want to somehow get back to their person to work together with them once again. They know that their partner is their happiness. Right? So what's the Six of Wands, Spirit? Is that still are they still in their ego and pride? Or they are still in their ego and pride here, Pisces, right now. The only reason they are not coming back for a reunion like yesterday is because maybe they said no to marriage or a long-term partnership with you, with their partner. Maybe they this relationship came to a halt because of a commitment problem. So they are resisting a reunion right now because now they have to live up to what they said, I think. So give them a little time, I think. Pisces, don't rush after them. If you have pulled back your love, I think it's a great idea. Just keep yourself to yourself. It's time for you to find your own self-worth, your own self-respect at the moment. Because when you respect yourself, can you expect any respect from anyone else? Right? So never forget that people will treat you the way you're going to treat yourself. Okay, so let them sit in their pride and ego for a while. They are going to come back, that's for sure, because you are their happiness. They know, heart of hearts, they know that you are their soulmate and the one that they love. They just, I think, are not coming back because they put a halt to any further, plans of commitment or marriage or something. So that's all I have for you here, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.